Hi, I'm Tom D and I want to show you how to exclude certain indexes when you search in Elasticsearch. In the example, I will show you three indexes: vehicle motorcycle, vehicle car, and vehicle truck. And in a search, I will exclude vehicle truck. So when you search to the indexes, you have a certain index pattern that allows you to search using that index pattern, and whatever indexes which will match that pattern, they will be used for the search. So when you want to exclude certain indexes, there is a specific way to do it by editing that pattern. So I want to show you how to do it in this tutorial. Let's start. So I will start by loading the test data. So I click on body, click on raw JSON. Okay, let's start from the truck. So type here name of the index, vehicle truck, and doc _doc. So I'm posting this document. Document got created. There's a confirmation over here. Now vehicle car brand, let's say Toyota. Send. The index and the document is created. Now as a vehicle, I will type motorcycle. Motorcycle brand, let's say Ducati. Send it. So now when I will type vehicle, let's say vehicle minus wildcard, so as an index pattern, underscore search, change the request type to get, none, and okay. Now I have three documents, right? And at the same time, three indexes. So those three hits are fine, okay, but I want to exclude one of those. I want to exclude trucks. So whenever I will be searching through the indexes, I want to include all the vehicles except trucks. To do that, here I'll type comma minus vehicle truck, right? So it will search to all the vehicles except this vehicle truck. Now search it. Now in the results, I cannot see vehicle truck. I can see only vehicle car and vehicle motorcycle. So in this way, using that simple change in a pattern, I excluded vehicle truck index. Okay, that was a simple task to do. If you enjoyed, leave a subscription, leave a comments, leave a like, and we will see each other in the next video. Bye.